Hello! So today we will be doing the unboxing for my Decathlon shoes that I have ordered yesterday, and they have been dropped in today in the morning. So let's do the unboxing and see how this shoes feels and how are they. So this is how the Decathlon has provided me the shoes, this time in a poly bag. Earlier they supplied it in a shoe bag, but this time just a poly bag. First, let me take out the bill. We need the bill. This is the paper copy. And now is the time to uncover the beast. Actually, I ordered these shoes twice. The earlier model that I ordered, they were a size bigger to me. I ordered the size 8 for the US, and in the European it was 42. So this time I have ordered the size 41. Let's see how it feels and how the thing goes on. These are the shoes. I hope you can see. So this model is KD Light, and they are extremely light shoes which are especially usable for marathon, or if you are running more than 2 hours, then I prefer to use it. So basically I've been running on alternate days, and on one day I run 60 minutes, then on another day I am running for 90 minutes, in which 60 minutes is on easy pace and on 30 minutes is on a hard pace, and then on the last day of the weekend I am running 2 hours, that too very easy pace. Since I am recovering from my knee injury, and about that knee injury recovery you can also see the video that I have also posted. So let me show you how this shoes looks from near. Well, these are the shoes that weighs approximately less than 500 grams and can be used easily on a road and on trails. These are very lightweight shoes. The best thing I like about them is their fabric that is very thin from the top, and the sole sole is very flexible. You can see it bends, and not a very thick sole. The sole that is provided in the Kalanji shoes are of the Kalen sole, and on like the high-end shoes provided by Nike and other brands, it is also having a top covering, or you can say like the covering that is used to provide grip to your ankles while you are running, and it feels extremely nice when the shoes hugs you from the down. So let me wear and show you how it is. So these shoes, before slipping in your feet, we need to loose them because they are like tight fitting shoes. The feet doesn't go in easily. So the lace are of good quality, and I don't think that they will be loose while running. Just hope they don't get loose. Yes. The shoes provide the right grip for running on a long route. And just see the look how they're going on with my blue denim. So you can wear them while running and sometimes even to a party. Yes. So this is the shoes, KD Kipran Light. This review is not sponsored by Decathlon or any other company. It is just my own review about the shoes. In my later video, I will update you about how it feels to be running while using these shoes for more than 2 hours. So keep updated, and I will keep you updated upon the more running programs.